Hey nerds, Jess here. In this video, we're going to go over how to use Go HighLevel or your CRM that uses HighLevel as the backend, getting the actual setup done for your Facebook and Instagram DM campaigns. So this is not going over the actual social media posting aspect. This is making sure that the direct integration between your business Facebook page and Instagram page is set up. As a disclaimer, you cannot set up comment automations or message automations with a personal Facebook page. It has to be a business Facebook page at this time. That may change in the future, but right now there isn't a way to convert an existing personal Facebook page into a business page. There used to be a way, we can't really do that anymore. So you will need to create a new Facebook page to do that. This is also going to help solve the little red text that says that DM messages are not able to be connected in Instagram. So if you have that red text, skip to the timestamp in the video that starts to go over that message. We'll fix that problem for you as well. So we'll just hop right into it. So first, what we're going to want to do is from your dashboard, go to settings and then integrations. And then from here, you can see connect your location's Facebook account. So I'm going to click connect and then continue. All right, and then from here, I'm going to select the Facebook account, and it already says that Instagram is available for this account. And this is because the Facebook and Instagram are linked. So you're going to want to make sure that you have that done beforehand. So to do that, if we went to Creator Studio or Meta Business Suite, and then I'm going to go to my account here. I have a business suite that you can see it has Lean Nerds and leannerds.io set up. And when I go to settings, you will see under pages, this one, the connected asset is set to the Instagram account. So if it wasn't, then we would need to go to connect assets and then click the Instagram account. Now, if you want to connect, say, not a business account, or you want it to look like it's not a business account, for example, we have something set up like this here on this one. What this is there is a Facebook account and then has the Instagram account. So you will need to make a Facebook business page that is your name if you wanted it to connect and look like your name. So this is technically a Facebook business account. This is not a personal page, even though it kind of looks like it. You are not able to convert a personal page into a business page. You would need to make a new business page. It's not possible to convert pages anymore. So you will want to make a Facebook personal looking page, and then you'll want to make sure that your Instagram account is a creator or a business page. And then you can do this same thing where you would go to, you would create a business portfolio, go to your page, connect assets, and click connect, and then connect your page. Okay, so if you have this, what I've done here, when you click learn more, it sends me to this page, and I'm just going to follow through these steps. First, you're going to go to the home page of the account that's giving you issues. Go to the top and click that menu icon, and then go to message and story replies, and then message control, and then toggle allow access to messages. Okay, so now that we have toggled on the allow messages in Instagram, I'm going to disconnect this page, and then I'm going to run through the process again of reconnecting it and seeing if that corrects the issue. Then we're going to go to connect. The error is gone. So if you also have your ad account, you can also set this up here for reporting and things like that. And yeah, so that is how you connect your Facebook and Instagram account to your system.